Hello, our goal today is to get into CERS, the California Educator Reporting System. There are two ways from this main CASP LPAC website. You can either click here and then click on the name again, or you can just use the drop down to get from System Links to get to CERS. So that's up at the top, use System Links and then get to CERS. It will open up a new tab and it will prompt you to log in because it is a secure environment. It has individual student level data. Because of that, I'm actually not going to log in and I'm going to use what they offer, which is just the CERS sandbox. So the CERS sandbox has fictitious data. It's just sample elementary schools, but I'm much more comfortable showing that than our actual live student data. So when you first get in, you'll see a screen that looks like this. It shows administrator tools, custom aggregate reports. That's how we got our target and claim reports. You can also search by a particular student, and if you are assigned any CERS roster groups, which our teachers are, they are assigned roster groups based on their rosters in PowerSchool, but if you also are assigned groups, they will show up here. What I did in order to get to this, the page prior, is I just selected my school and then a grade, and it would be corresponding to the grade that did the IAB or FIAB, and I have it here. When you first see the results, you just have an aggregate of for this, it's 86 students, 86 results, and then the average scale score. You also see a distribution by percent, or you can toggle up here and click by number. So this is now the number of students, 14 scored at above, 45 scored at near, or the percent. And then you can also see this show results. We are going to be looking at the show results because it gives you more indication as to the specificity that we need to look at in order to do our data analysis. You can see by student, all of these are columns that you can toggle. So you can sort it by scale score or error band. So this will help you as you're looking at the scale score. It'll help you figure out kind of which students were right near the standard of above. You can also look at it by the results by item. On this, you can again toggle by the item number or the question number, the standard, whether they got what percent of the class got full credit or 100% on that question. So as an example, as you're looking through one of these, I might click on the standards and I want to see the NBT, this moderate one. I can click on the question. I can see the item viewer, which gives me a view of the item. It also shows me then the question type and different things. But if I want to see what student responses were, I can go here. I can sort by what students got correct or incorrect, the number of points available. For most of the math, it will be 1 point available. Some of the rubrics and definitely on the performance tasks, there are more points available. But you can then click on the student and see what response they chose. This one may have been that they didn't choose any response. Others, they may have selected an incorrect response. But you can do that for all of the items in here. So I can select this, I can see the item viewer, and then even more importantly, I can go in and see what each of the students did. Okay, so again, this is within CERS. I'm just looking at the IAB. If you wanted to find other IABs or other FIABs for that same grade level, you would go here. And if it was for a different grade level, you would toggle up there. Thank you.